Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. This may sound like science fiction, right? But it's becoming a reality today through AI. In this video, we will discover what AI really means, how it works, and how powerful AI systems like ChatGPT, Meta AI, and Gemini shape our future. Hi, I'm Niyathi Punnam, a BTech fresher who wants to explore and learn about AI. So, what does this AI really mean? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It means intelligence produced artificially. What does this AI actually do? When computers think just like a humans, we call that as artificial intelligence. So let's learn how AI actually works. First, let us learn about the AI agents. AI agents work by communicating with LLMs, which stands for large language models. You can think of these agents as an operating system in the AI world. They manage tasks and coordinate information. In the AI system, we mainly have two main components: parameters and run file. Parameters. Parameters are like settings or instructions that tell the agent what to do and how to do it. Whereas run file is a part that actually execute those instructions, making the agent perform actions or answer questions. By working with LLMs, AI agent can process information, make decisions, and respond intelligently to different situations. The main steps in working with AI agents are parameters, unembending or embedding models, tokens, large language models, and vector database. These settings guide the agent's behavior and how to interact with information. Machines can't understand words or images directly. They only understand data which is in the form of numbers. An embedding model converts words, images, or other type of data into mathematical representation. This transformation helps the machine to understand and process information more easily. In other words, embedding model translate information into format that AI can actually work with efficiency. It means in unembending models, data like images, words, and document is first converted into mathematical representations, that is binary numbers. So the computer can process it. However, it does not help the AI to understand the deeper meaning in the data. To get a clear understanding of the context, a data is later converted this unembending form into embeddings using an embedding model. These embeddings allow the AI to recognize the pattern of the context more effectively. Tokenization. Tokenization is a process of breaking down text into smaller units called tokens, which can be words, part of words, or even characters. This process is often done with the help of embeddings, which convert each word into token that the AI can understand in tokenization. There is a token limit, meaning that an AI model can only process a certain number of tokens at a time. Sometimes you can see an error like the text is beyond the limit if the input is too large and goes beyond the allowed token limit. Now let's discuss function calling. When we give basic prompt, that prompt is sent to LLM. Basically, LLMs acts as a powerful operating system for languages, but they are not expert in tasks like advanced mathematics, image generation, or database operations. So they use other specific tools to give efficient output. Example, if you want to generate an image using ChatGPT, remember that ChatGPT itself is an LLM and can't directly create images. Instead, it uses a tool called ImageGen to create them. In OpenAI family, DALL-E 3 is used for image generation. So LLM sends you request to specialized tool or models to get a result in areas where it isn't expert like images or complex mathematical functions. LLM needs external memory because even though they use tokenization, they can forget past information. In real life AI applications, long term memory access to external knowledge and personalization are essential. This helps the AI to remember previous interaction, provide better answer, and deliver a most personalized experiences for each users. A vector database is a special type of database designed to store, search, and retrieve data as a vector. When an LLM or AI system create embeddings, meaning representation of words, images, or documents as a number, these vectors are saved into a vector database. This database stores the information so it can quickly find and match similar content in the future. When a user searches for a text, the AI converts these searches into tokens and embeddings and compares them to what's stored in the database and retrieve the most relevant information. This makes it possible to provide accurate and content-aware result based on the past text. So that's how an AI chatbot follows the RAG model. Let's do a quick recap of what we have discussed. When a user asks question, two main steps happens. The query is converted into embeddings, and these embeddings are matched with relevant vectors in vector database to find the best information. This process allows the AI chatbot to search its stored value and deliver accurate and relevant answers.